Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue of fake followers on Instagram. Fake followers can harm your engagement and credibility, so it's important to remove them. Let's get started. Start by checking your follower list. Fake followers usually have suspicious usernames, no profile pictures, and very few or no posts. They often follow thousands of accounts but have little engagement themselves. If you spot a suspicious account, tap on their profile. To remove them, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Remove Follower. They won't be notified that you've removed them. Continue this process for as many fake followers as you can identify. Doing this regularly helps keep your account authentic and boosts engagement with real followers. Another option to control who follows you is by making your account private. Go to your profile, settings, tap privacy, and switch to a private account. This way, you will have more control over who can follow you. Next, you can enable two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, which can help reduce the number of fake accounts interacting with you. Go to your profile, settings, tap security, and then tap two-factor authentication to turn it on. If you have a lot of fake followers, you might want to use third-party apps like Leaner for Instagram or Follower Insights to identify and remove fake or inactive followers in bulk. Always check reviews to make sure the app is secure. And that's it. By following these steps, you will clean up your follower list and improve the quality of your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!